Alright guys, so let's get right into it. In this video, I will be styling my hair with single strand twist. The end goal is to unravel them. However, this seems like a very long journey I'm about to embark on. My hair is super short, as you can see. It is 4C, it is super thick and dense. So I have a long journey ahead. So see you at the end of the video. However, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell next to that button so every time I post a video, you get the notification right away. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. As you can see, the goal for me, since my hair is super short, was to section it in very small parts, so that way I can get a lot more definition. Honestly, even if I wanted to make chunky parts, it won't even be possible. So this is my reality. I was using the Aunt Jackie's curls and coils product, the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. I liked it. Prior to putting in the single strand twist, I did a hair max treatment, so I don't know if that contributed to the moisture retention in my hair, but my hair was super moisturized. I kept this style in after I unraveled it though. For almost a week, my hair was still moisturized. It was not even dry, so that was pretty good. I don't know if it's a combination of the products that I use, but I cannot say for sure that it's only as a result of the Defining Curl Custard from Aunt Jackie's. However, what I would say is that it did not flake, maybe because I did not apply too much product. I wasn't heavy-handed on the products, so probably that's why, but I didn't see any flakiness, in as much as you can see residues of the product in my hair. When it dried up, nothing was there, no flakiness, nothing. So kudos to the product for that. Alright guys, so 1,000 years later, this is what we have. Wow, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing this again, man. Okay. I put these twists, single strand twist in my head, which took like several hours to do, but there you go. Let's see if you can get a better view of it. Yep, there you go. Put them in, and it's the next day. I kept them in overnight, and this is the next day. So let's see. Oil my palms just to make sure hands are moisturized. Reduce frizziness. So that's the goal here. Let's see. Like that, and look at the definition here. Alright guys, so here's the finished look after adding a little bit of edge control and laying my edges. This is the final look. Hope you liked it. See you in my next one. Bye bye.